Today I'm going to be talking to you about the app Explain Everything. This is a presentation app that allows you to narrate and annotate just about anything. Let's take a look at how this app can be used for 21st century instruction. What you currently see is the home screen, and you'll notice that there is a plus sign at the very top. By clicking this plus sign, you'll be able to see 4 different options of color choices that you can use for your presentation. The second plus sign at the top will actually allow you to make a slideshow based on your pictures, and you can see at the bottom there are some choices where you can get these pictures. You can get them from the camera roll from your iPad, or you can go to the bottom and you can click on any of these to import photos from. This option is great because the photos will then be turned into its own individual slide that then you can narrate or annotate on. For this presentation, we're actually just going to stick with the blank template, so let's take a look at it. This app is very user-friendly. Let's go ahead and look at some of these tools on the side. In order to start using the tool, you want to click on it. But to see further options, you want to press and hold down the tool on the side. Once you do this, you'll see that you can change the pen tip and also the width of the pen. And you can also see you can just start drawing just like a normal whiteboard. To change the color, you just click down at the bottom and select what color you'd like to use. The next tool we'll look at is the shape tool, same thing. You just want to press and hold to see the options. Here we can insert a circle, square, arrow, and obviously the star. You can also insert text by clicking on the A and pressing and holding down. Here you'll be able to change the font, the size, and if you want a border. You can also change the color down at the bottom. So what's nice about this is that you can insert any kind of text, but then you can also resize it and whatnot. Let's take a look at one of my favorite parts of this app, which is importing in an object. Now you can see that you can import all these different things, an existing video or photo on your iPad, a file, a browser, a new picture, or a new video, which you can actually take from your iPad webcam. Now let's add a new video. Once you click on new video, you'll notice a camera screen pop up, and then you actually just press record. Let's take a look at this. Hello everyone! The next tool you'll see is the laser tool, and this one's really fun just because you can call attention to anything that you want to on the screen. So you can select any of the following, the arrows or the lasers, and you can just point to them and use them by calling attention to anything on your screen. Let's take a look at some of the save options that you have. First, you can actually just save the slide that you're working on by exporting it as an image, and you can see the ways that you can do that. Or you can export the whole thing as a movie, where you can upload it to YouTube or save it on your camera roll, or you have a few different options on Dropbox, Evernote, Google Drive, etc. You'll also see a save option below on your screen. What's nice about this, especially working with students, is that there is an auto save option so that it constantly saves it while they're working. Now, why do I like this app? Well, one of the reasons is looking at Common Core. We want to make sure that we are challenging our learners and having them be working at higher level thinking skills. You can see here Bloom's taxonomy and Webb's depth of knowledge, and with this app you can work really at the evaluating and creating level. Let's take a look at utilizing some of these possibilities.
Was singing in loud laughing voices.
Mr. Hazel from Tennis the Champion of the World by Fompo Onega Seya and Sanel.
Mr. Victor Hazel. He is smart, kind, fat, jealous, helpful, hateful, prideful, businessman, rude, horrible.
Mr. Hazel's program was with people, especially Danny's father, because he thinks he's still his father and want him to close his workshop.
Mr. Hazel does not have a very good relationship with Danny's father, because one day when Mr. Hazel was going in the garage in Danny's father's house, he threatened Danny and his father. He didn't like it.
Let's check if it is a recute shape. The shapes are the same, but the sizes are not the same. So it is a similar because it is a similar because it is a same shape, but it doesn't have same sizes. So it is a similar. Hey guys, I'm Brenda. I'm Sara.
I'm Lunga.
I'm Odwa.
Okay, we are going to teach you how to make congruent shapes and similar shapes. I hope you can enjoy it.
Thank you guys.
Okay, I'm going to tell you what make pelv shape congruent. It must have the same angle and the same side length. It can be rotated on the mirror image. As you see at the bottom, there is a congruent shape, and they are the same and they have the same length. Okay, I'll tell you what make a pelv shape similar. It must have the same angle, sides in the same proportion, can be rotated or reflected. As you see at the bottom, the square is big than the other square.
Okay, is this a similar or a rectangular shape? Okay, let's check if it is a recute shape. The shapes are the same, but the sizes are not the same. So it is a similar because it is a similar because it is a same shape, but it doesn't have same sizes. So it is a similar.
I am doing a two problem for you guys. I hope you will enjoy it.
Now, once you've finished your project, what's great is that you can export it out to YouTube and then you can embed it on Haiku. Here you see Haiku being utilized as their project and then turning it into an assessment. The students can watch their peers' projects and then they can answer a poll on the video, or they can watch it and have a discussion about the character or whatever they did in their video. Thank you for listening to my presentation on the app Explain Everything. Hopefully you have seen how this tool can be used in 21st century instruction. Thank you.